We will use the method of completing the square to solve 2x squared plus 3x minus 6 equals 0. And we will avoid fractions, at least at the beginning of the problem. What we will do first is add 6 to both sides. So we have now 2x squared plus 3x equals 6. Now we will multiply 4 times 2, which is 8, by both sides. So we have 4 times 2 times 2x squared plus 4 times 2 times 3x equals 4 times 2 times 6. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16, so we have 16x squared plus 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 3 is 24, so we have 24x equals 8 times 6, which is 48. Now we will add b squared to both sides. So back at the beginning of the problem, we see that b is equal to 3. So we're going to add 3 squared to both sides. And again, 3 squared is 9. So we have now 16x squared plus 24x plus 9 equals 9 plus 48. All I did was I added 9 to both sides. Now you should see that the left side is a perfect square. It is of the form a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So take a moment to verify that we have actually 4x plus 3, the quantity squared, equals 9 plus 48, which is 57. We have now something squared equals the number 57. So we're going to use the square root property. So we have 4x plus 3 equals plus or minus the square root of 57. Now, there are no perfect squares that are factors of 57, so we'll leave the square root of 57 as it is. Now we'll finish solving for x. There'll be 2 more steps. We're going to subtract 3 from both sides and then divide both sides by 4. So we end up with x equals negative 3 plus or minus the square root of 57 all over 4. So we solve the equation 2x squared plus 3x minus 6 equals 0 using computing the square, and we avoided fractions all the way until the very end. Now you could also use the quadratic formula, so you may solve the problem again using the quadratic formula and verify that you get the same result.